you go, dude. Nice, dude.
Ah.
Good job, dog. Let's go. Dude, that was awesome. All right, guys, we just got off the Quicksilver lift here at Breckenridge on Peak 9, and we're gonna do the most friendly green run in all of Summit County. If you're trying to teach someone in your family how to snowboard, this is one of the best runs to do it. Roman's working on his toe side turns, and overall I want him to ride a run that he'll be very confident on and be able to progress. So we came over here to Breck today to specifically ride the run Silverthorne, which is funny because we live in the town of Silverthorne. I actually didn't know it was named Silverthorne, I just knew of the run. So, Roman, you ready to show everyone how to ride this?
Yeah.
All right, man, let's do it. Remember the way?
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah, guys. Have a good one.
I need to dodge all these people.
Yeah, you do need to dodge all these people. Why don't you go toes real quick, we can go around them. The sign for Silverthorne over here. So we're going to come down and around all these people. By the way, Roman's helping me with this video today because, once again, this is a beginner run, and he's a little past beginner, right, dude?
Right.
So Roman's helping Dad out today. Yeah, once you go around the lift, to really just ride Silverthorne, you just ride underneath the Quicksilver lift the whole way. All the way down. It's such a nice mellow pitch. If you got someone working on their toes, yeah, dude. That's a good toe side turn. They can really work on their toes. Boom, man. And then as an adult, if you're riding with your little one or whatever, this is a great area to work on butters. When I was learning to snowboard, I was doing this. I first moved up to Breck and did 2 years in Breck before moving to Silverthorne. Yeah, you can like work on all your butters, your presses. Watch out for the shredder, of course, we're out on Saturday. Oh, that was a good one, man. That's carving. Oh! Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Dude, you bit in the snow like crazy. That was so, man. That was sick.
I'm definitely over trees.
Yeah, dude. And then they do have like these little tree sections you can dump into too, which we're going to do that after this run. I told you to kind of warm up and show me you can rip the turns, and then they have these like safer tree runs that you can ride that have like padding on the trees and stuff to the side and things, which is really awesome to start introducing them to tree riding and that more technical terrain. Oh yeah, nice job getting low. It's not really an area where you're going to find a lot of side hits and side jumps. They do have a beginner part going into a different run. If you're wanted to take off and come in, do a big toe side turn now, dude. Toe side turn. Okay, go that way. Trying to get rid of his falling leaf style turn. I would like to regulate going goofy. There you go, man. The reason why he's able to hear me communicate so well, by the way, that thing on the side of his head, and how it happened on my head, that's the Cardo unit. It's a communication device. So he's got speakers, I got speakers, and so I don't have to yell at him. That is an incredible device. Keep going this way, buddy. Come down to that this way. Yep. So between that and this 360 being able to show him his footage, like, I got the best stuff for teaching little ones how to shred. Check out the description. See all of that. Oh, you're going fast, man. Why don't you take off your speed? There you go. Good save. Woo! Dude, you're cooking, man. What you cooking in the kitchen, dude? To see him going nose down on Silverthorne. Like, you can't do that on many other runs, but on Silverthorne, you can go nose down turn and using these toe sliders to slow down. Oh yeah, dude! Oh, he's down! Dude, you're making some of the best turns you've ever made on this run. I'm proud of you, man. You good?
Yeah, I'm just taking a break. I say Chris.
I see Chris over there too. I don't blame you for taking a break. It's a nice, good, long run. We're a little past halfway. Sadly, the lower part, that's where we're going to have more information for you guys, is not as fun. And it's kind of very clustered and collected. You have a lot of skiers on your right, from, so you know. Good job, dude. Good job. We got skiers coming. You're okay. They're doing crazy. You guys don't even know where they're at. But keep going straight. So we have this sign coming up that says steeper terrain ahead. It does get slightly steep here. I'd still say it's green level. But if you want to avoid it, you can move away. But I don't like that way because it's like a cap track and then it's very slow and not so good. So if you can suffer through this slightly steeper section, I think it's worth it. It'll get you more laps on everything that we just rode. And it cuts the run in half. It really does. Good job. Stay on the left side of this run, buddy, okay? And try to go slow. There's a lot of people here. So yeah, this is going to be your more clustered area. And then this small part that we're going into. But I have a local secret for you. Kicks over this. That will probably ruin our secret, but at the end of the day, it's going to get you guys more laps. I'm here to help you guys get more laps on. Dude, you're doing great, man. All right. Watch out for people. Number one goal, don't hit anybody in this spot, okay? Legs burning?
Yeah.
You're cooking this top to bottom.
Chris was right. Chris was.
All right, so the reason why we're getting so congested over here is we have Beaver Run on our left. And that's where people are either going to Beaver Run or they're coming from Beaver Run over to the Quicksilver Lift. Oh. And your little one will probably struggle more in this area too. You got people who try to avoid people, a little slower. But yeah, once you get to this spot, look left for people who be cooking in. And then you also do have people coming off the Pumas and all that stuff to the right. So be aware. Everyone, we want to be on the left side of this run over here, okay? But I suggest stay left high in this area down over here by the Quicksilver Lift because we're trying to get to the Quicksilver Lift a different way. Good job, dude. Keep coming. As a dad, always do this. Keep going, dude. You're doing great. Because he's going to eventually run out of juice. Dude, that was some killer snowboarding. How'd you learn to make the short toe side turns?
By myself.
Yeah, dude. I love when you learn things by yourself. So, when we take our 3-year-old out, Roman's little sister, we actually ride this carpet over here. This is a great area for those very first ones to learn. Now, once again, I said the majority of people going to the Quicksilver Lift are going to go right here. And we're going to go around and load the Quicksilver Lift from the backside, where it's just only people from the town loading there. And it's going to be like a quarter of the line. Whoa! Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
I kicked you in the back. My lord. You can't fall by the music. We're going to get copy strikes. Quick, go. Get away from the music. Hopefully that isn't copyrighted music. So I don't know if you guys can see the lift line over there. Crazy long lift line. No lift line over here. Absolute pack for riding the Quicksilver lift area. If you have a beginner area, that is the Silverthorne run. That is the #1 run I recommend for snowboarding and teaching people or skiing up here in Summit County, Colorado. Meaning if you ride Keystone or Breckenridge, come do this run. This is the best one. You have an epic pass, this is the one to do. If you guys want to support Roman Dog for helping us with this top to bottom run, he's got this Lego sticker right here. That is his Evolution sticker. We have the normal Evolution sticker. If you snag his though, all that money goes to his college fund. Support that little dude's future. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. YouTube really wants you to watch the video at the end of this one. It literally hand selected it for you.
Yeah.